Vaseline. It's hard to imagine anyone who hasn't heard of Vaseline or used it at some point. In fact, over 80% of skincare products worldwide include some amount of this amazing ingredient in their formulations. Petroleum jelly, or petrolatum, commonly known as Vaseline, is a type of mineral oil derived from crude oil distillation. Vaseline, or petroleum jelly, is a highly greasy, water-repellent substance and is mostly used in skincare products as an ointment base. Products made with a Vaseline base are considered ointments because they are entirely greasy, unlike creams which contain water. However, with the addition of emulsifiers and water, creams can also be produced from this base. It's important not to confuse the base ingredient with products that carry the name Vaseline. Many of these branded products either only use the name Vaseline or contain a small percentage of the actual base. The FDA has granted Vaseline OTC, over-the-counter, status, meaning it can be sold without a prescription in the US. Vaseline is very greasy, water-repellent, and insoluble in water, with a general melting point between 40 to 70 degrees Celsius, 105 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Refined petroleum jelly has a nearly white, slightly yellow color and is odorless. Refined petroleum jelly or pure Vaseline is one of the most commonly used substances in lotions, creams, and cosmetics. Petroleum jelly comes in 3 grades: pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and industrial. Only the pharmaceutical grade is used for therapeutic and skincare purposes. Eucerin or Eucerin, lanolin alcohol. If Vaseline is modified to reduce its greasiness and enhance its ability to absorb water, it becomes a water-friendly base called Eucerin, also known as Eucerin or lanolin alcohol. In fact, this new base is considered a type of emulsion that can have both an oil phase and an aqueous phase inside. Eucerin is a blend of Vaseline, beeswax, lanolin, stearic acid, cetyl alcohol, cholesterol, and triethanolamine. Depending on its cholesterol content, it can be classified as Eucerin 200% or Eucerin 400%. These numbers refer to the water absorption capacity of the base. Eucerin 200 can absorb up to 200% of its volume in water, and Eucerin 400 can absorb up to 400%. This incredible absorption ability is what makes this base so widely used in skincare products. Eucerin is a semi-solid oil in water emulsion base used in pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and personal care products. Thanks to its unique structure, it can dissolve various ingredients, such as medications or active compounds, and help them penetrate the skin. That's why it's a key ingredient in many creams and ointments. Eucerin acts as a moisturizing and softening base for creams. It's fragrance-free, colorless, and non-irritating, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Eucerin is rich in fats and moisturizing agents, which help maintain the skin's natural moisture and prevent dryness. Another advantage of Eucerin is that it is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores or cause acne. Additionally, because it lacks irritants, the risk of allergic reactions is minimal. Cream base. A cream base is essentially an oil in water or water in oil emulsion. It's usually made of Vaseline, beeswax, lanolin, cetyl alcohol, stearic acid, and water, combined with an emulsifier. It serves as the primary base for creams, much like Eucerin, and is widely used in skincare products. The water content gives it high moisturizing and hydrating properties. This base, because of its emulsion nature, can easily dissolve both oil-based and water-based ingredients. When applied to the skin, the water evaporates, leaving a cooling and softening sensation. Like Vaseline and Eucerin, the cream base is also available in pharmacies and cosmetic stores without a prescription, but we will soon teach you how to make this base at a very low cost on this channel, and wait for the video. Dear friend, I recommend that you always have these three bases, Vaseline, Eucerin, and cream base, in your raw materials shelf because they are versatile and are needed to make all kinds of skincare products.